channel. Today in 5150 we start Project Nightmare. This is our 2005 Jeep LJ. This is a Rubicon edition. We're going to be tearing it down, prepping it, getting it ready for a bunch of new parts. It already is kind of built. We have some new upgrades coming for it. This video is just basically going to be tearing down what we're going to start with. Basically we're going to pull off the fenders, rock sliders, the rear corner guards. We got a bunch of wiring we got to mess with, so we're going to move all this out of the way. We're going to get this stuff torn down and go ahead and get this video started. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to pull the license plate bracket. Size of those, Patrick? 10 millimeter. We got a new bracket, so we're not going to even worry about using this one. So we're going to pull off all the rear armor, pull off the sliders, passenger and driver side, and the front fenders. So we're going to go ahead and pull the tail lights off. So we're going to move these 4 bolts here that connect up the filler to the filler bracket. Then we'll remove these Torx. Pull that out. Then we'll go through and start removing all these Allens. Not sure what type of rear armor this is, but we're going to go ahead and get rid of it. We're going to be upgrading. We got a new bracket for back here for a license plate bracket. We'll see that in a future video. So we're hoping just tonight to get the sliders off and the rear armor. Tomorrow we'll take the front fenders off. Alright, so we put a shop towel in there to keep out dirt and dust. So it's kind of late, guys. We got a late start today. I don't know what time it is. About 10 o'clock at night, Patrick? Yep. Yeah. So it's just kind of our bolt bin down there. We'll be replacing most of this hardware. Ooh, that's heavy. So what kind of fender do you think that is?
This is Motobilt.
That Motobilt?
I don't know. Should pull the other side off. Take this fender completely off.
Whatever you want to do. Alright guys, that's what it looks like underneath. Not too bad. It's kind of dirty. We'll probably, when we put the new ones on, put some silicone in there or something. No? We'll see. Alright, so that's one rear quarter off. Let's go do the other side. Corners look okay?
You usually get beat up in there.
Yeah, they actually look pretty good. There's hardly any rust or anything. Alright, so now we're going to pull the passenger fender off. Go. It was. I don't know how it shifted on me, but... Alright. I'll clean this all off tomorrow. Doesn't look too bad. Alright. Jeep's getting naked.
Bam. Bam. Good thing he's on the vehicle. Should we try being special and try just yanking it?
What do you mean?
Just pick up the body, just pull it.
Make it well here.
Nope.
Okay. Patrick says it's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. All right. Good job, Patrick. Got her off. That's a poison spider. There's the rubber grommet. Cool. Looks dirty, but all right, that's the driver's side. Now we're gonna go do the passenger side. Alright, Patrick just got all the lower bolts out for the body mounts.
Oh, there's a battery on this side.
So we don't have a whole lot of swing room here.
Plenty.
There's our new jack, guys. Our other one broke. We got the one for Harbor Freight, the Daytona 4-ton. One in the back. There you go. Cutters. Alright guys, we got the rear armor off, we got the sliders off. Takes a little over an hour. We'll go ahead and take this out in the morning, pressure wash this stuff off. Then we'll start with probably pulling the fenders and start installing the new armor, start test fitting it. Kind of see we've already kind of started that on this one here. This is Patrick's. We're going to go ahead and pull the horn, pull some of this inner fender stuff off, so we'll probably pull the ARB. Definitely going to pull the windshield wiper fluid tank.
This one should be this way. Work. I've got these. What is it, like a 10?
Yep. So we're probably going to have to put a new one of these in.
So there's front and rear on this. Okay. So this one. I'm going to put this in the video. I was just trying to keep it out shop and making a mess.
That's good. We needed it. Says 52 cents, so we're good. Well, now with the inflation that we have, probably $5.52. So that's the ARB manifold we're going to pull off. Patrick just removed the airline. So front and rear solenoids, manifold. Okay. For the ARB.
I'm going to do it this way. You know, there's always one thing. There's always one thing. Every time and every freaking thing.
Alright. Alright, we got the driver's fenders off. Got a lot of wire in here. Okay, let's go ahead and kind of clean it up. Alright guys, we just pressure washed the Jeep, got all the crap off the side that was underneath the rock sliders and the rear quarters. Before we put it back in the garage. We did last night get this fender removed. We're gonna go ahead and get the driver's side removed today. Like I said, we got a lot of wiring cleanup we want to do on this. Nightmare's all pretty and clean. We'll go ahead and bring her in.
That's an aftermarket bracket right there.
That's a market light.
Bracket. It's a boys on Spyder. It's fine. Just the vacuum line.
So I'd vacuum on it? Alright, what a mess. What was it?
This is okay.
We're going to save this. This is for the heater, since we do have a heater in here.
It's the heater control
Heater control.
and AC.
Alright, so we're getting this all stripped out, guys, and all the new parts will be going on. We'll be in the next video doing the install on those. We got new fenders, new rock sliders, new rear quarters. We're going to install some new body mounts.
The fenders don't properly align.
We'll be changing those body mounts out for the new rock sliders. Got a lot of wire to clean up in here. It's going to be the most difficult part, huh? We do have an S-Pod we'll be installing. So we have pneumatic sway bar disconnects, which is all air driven, and so we have solenoids we'll be connecting up. Currently they were just kind of in different areas. So today we got everything accomplished that we wanted to. We started this last night and finished it up today. But we got a lot of the wiring kind of stripped out, moved out of the way, pulled the fenders off both on the passenger and the driver's side, removed the rock sliders, got the rear armor removed, got the gas tank stuff out of the way. Right now it's kind of a wiring mess. We got to make some mounts for the ECU. Kind of get this side kind of cleaned up, get it redone. Again, got the passenger armor off, the rear corner guards. Alright guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.